Pause here. This is a classic misunderstanding about police support officer powers under the Police Reform Act 2002. APSO does not have general police powers. Their authority comes only from what their chief constable specifically designates in writing. That usually includes limited powers like issuing fixed penalty notices, acquiring names and addresses in specific circumstances, and seizing alcohol or tobacco, but not criminal investigation or arrest for most offenses. When the speaker suggests sending it to a bobby, that's actually the correct procedural pathway. PSOs gather evidence, record details, and pass it to a warranted constable for any criminal disposal. The key legal point is this: if a PSO starts acting as though they personally hold full police authority, any enforcement step taken beyond their designation risks being unlawful.
You still got powers to be able to do him, even though...
Registration sent it to a bobby.
All right, so because the chief constable outlines the powers that you've got, doesn't he, really? Yeah. Wow.
So what will happen is I could have really spoke to a bobby, I would have done the statement,
yeah,
sent it to a bobby,
yeah,
and then obviously they decided to do it for procure.
Because not just that, you don't know if people could be intent on like ramming.
Stop the footage here. What's being alleged is interforce identification, essentially one force telling another who a person is without any obvious policing purpose. Under the Data Protection Act 2018 and UK GDP, our police can only share personal data when it's necessary, proportionate, and linked to a legitimate law enforcement function. That means intelligence sharing must be tied to crime prevention, investigation, or public safety, not casual conversation or reputation. Passing, if information about a person's identity is being shared simply because they're known as an auditor or a regular presence, that's legally risky. The legal test is strict. No lawful purpose, no lawful data sharing. That's the line this moment potentially crosses.
What's all that about, guys? The sergeant just said that you told him who I was. You shouldn't be doing that. That's like grassing, that. I thought you were my mate.
Hold it here. This is about the legal power to demand details. In the UK, police cannot require your name and address simply because they want it. There must be a legal basis. For example, a suspected offense under Section 24 of PACE, a traffic-related requirement, or specific statutory powers like antisocial behavior enforcement. Without a clear legal trigger, the request is voluntary, not mandatory. The danger in moments like this is normalizing compliance when no lawful obligation exists. The legal standard is simple: no power cited, no legal duty to provide details. Officers must be able to explain the exact authority they're relying on, not just issue the demand.
Look, you do what they're doing now, you can't do nothing, can we?
No.
Give us your details, mate.
Fucking dying of pneumonia, mate, but they don't want to get me to an hospital.
By all means, take yourself to a hospital. No, we're not a medical service, we're a police service.
No, I'm taking you to a medical service, sir. I'm taking you to a medical service, sir.
If you want to go to hospital, there's plenty within walking distance.
Yeah,
This is where UK public space law is often misquoted. There is no general power for police to ban photography in a public place. The starting position in law is freedom. If you're standing somewhere the public is allowed to be, you can film or take photos. Restrictions only apply in specific legal contexts, such as under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act for a lawful stop and search. A court order, or where harassment, obstruction, or specific bylaws apply, they don't want, it is not illegal. Standard consent is irrelevant in public space. The only lawful question is whether a statutory power exists to restrict filming, and if it doesn't, the person filming is within their rights.
Should you be taking photos, mate?
Pardon?
Should you be taking photos?
I can't hear you.
You don't want to take photos?
Why?
Why? Who are you?
Sorry, it's private. Just don't. You haven't seen me taking photos, that's all. Because they get the backs up, don't they?
Yeah, don't take photos around here, mate.
Why? It's a public street, don't it?
Yeah, but they don't want it.
They don't want it?
Take photos in here.
You can take pictures here. Pardon?